Hello everyone. Hello guys. How are you guys on today? I hope you guys are having an awesome Monday. Guess what? Guess what time it is? It is story time with Miss Doris. I have an awesome book for us on today. I'm so excited to be reading you a story on today. I missed you guys on Friday. I hope you guys had an awesome Friday and an awesome weekend. To all those fathers out there, happy Father's Day to you. Hello, Shakana. Hello, Shaquavia. How are you on today? I'm so excited, guys. I have an awesome book for us today. Today's book we're going to be reading is Pete the Kitty and the Case of Hiccups. The Case of Hiccups. Hiccup. Pete the Kitty has the case of hiccups on today. And well, guess what? Guess who our Muppet guest Muppet is on today? Well, I'll help you guys out. Our today's guest Muppet is going to be Mr. Goofy. Is our Muppet pet on today. Is Mr. Goofy is our guest pet on today for story time. Say hello to Mr. Goofy. Hello, Goofy. How are you today? I'm so glad you're tuning in with story time with Miss Doris on today. Hello, guys. Hello and welcome. Well, guess what? I'm going to go ahead on and get started. I would like to greet everyone all over the world. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and to some, good night. Someone is going to bed somewhere in the world, but guess what? You are just in time for story time with Miss Doris. I'd like to give a shout out to all of you out there in Storytime land, to all of my new followers of Storytime. I am so excited to be reading you a story on today. Hello, Miss Nisha. Hello, Royce. Hi, Royce. How are you on today? I missed you. I hope you guys had an awesome weekend. I am so excited. Since Friday, I did a post. I think Friday or Thursday, I did a post that I wanted to get. My goal was to have 1,000 followers by my birthday, which is September 6th. My birthday is September 6th. I am going to be number 5 for my birthday. So guess what? My goal for my birthday, I wanted to be up to 1,000 followers. Oh my goodness, you guys are awesome. Oh my God, I'm so excited. To all of you guys, to all of my new Storytime followers, I appreciate you guys. You guys are awesome and phenomenal women over at Women Helping Women Entrepreneurs. It's so many groups that have supported Storytime. It's becoming followers this past weekend. I appreciate all of you guys. So once we get up to our 1,000 followers, we're going to do a celebration. Guess what, guys? We are one away from 1,000 followers. Oh my God. I have been so in tears. We are one follower away from 1,000 followers. Oh my God. My heart. I love you guys. I love you guys. I appreciate all of you out there in Storytime land. We're going to do a celebration. Guess what? We're going to do that sometime today. So if Miss Storytime goes live, make sure you guys tune in. Well, I'm just going to go ahead on and get started. Let's get ready for that Storytime song. I know you guys are ready for that song. Make sure that you are practicing safety first when we do that. There it goes! That Storytime song. I'm so excited. Welcome to all of my new Storytime followers. I appreciate you guys. Storytime with Miss Star. Hello, Miss Trish. How are you on today? I hope you're doing awesome on today. Same to you. Hello to all of you guys over at Tinkertown. Hello, guys. I missed you guys too. How are you on today? Story time. One more follower from 8,000. Story time with Miss. It's story time and I'm so excited. It's story time. Story time with Miss. She'll read to you, sing to you, tell you all just what to do. Wow, you guys were awesome. I heard you singing so loud. You guys is really singing loud. So, well, guess what? What are you guys having for lunch? Whatever you're having for lunch, I bet it's going to be really good and delicious. I appreciate all of you guys and today. Well, guess what? Let's go ahead and get ready for our story. Go ahead, guys, moms, dads, nanas, papas, go ahead on. Have a seat while Miss Doris read you and our children a story on today. Today's book we're going to be reading is, let me turn the music down just a tad bit. Today's book we are going to be reading is Pete the Kitty and the Case of Hiccups. Hiccups. I know you guys get hiccups sometimes when you're trying to eat your lunch really fast and stuff in your mouth. I bet you get those hiccups. Oh my goodness. Hiccups are no jokes. Wow. Thank you so much. You like my earrings. Thank you so much. I got those from Mother's Day from Diamond. Let's get started with our story. Pete the Kitty and the Case of Hiccups. It's story time. Turn it down just a little tad bit more. Hiccups! Oh no! Pete has the hiccups. Do you guys have the hiccups on today? I hope not. Make sure you're taking your time eating your lunch. Hiccups, hiccups. How do you stop hiccups? Oh my goodness. How do you stop hiccups? Can someone tell me? How do you stop hiccups? Well, do you drink juice? Or do you drink soda? Or you eat a lollipop? Or you eat a sandwich? How do you stop hiccups? Pete asks a grumpy toad, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Grumpy Toad. You stand on one foot. Would that stop his hiccups? Standing on one foot? Well, I don't know. Let's see. Hopefully our story is going to tell us how to stop hiccups. Did you try standing on one foot? Whoa! How are you? Hello, So-So. Hello, So-So. Hello, Miss Ebony. I'm so glad you're tuning in. And today, Pete stands on one foot for his hiccups. Pete still has the hiccups. Standing on one foot didn't cure Pete's hiccups. What do you think is going to cure Pete's hiccups? I should be at 1,000 now? Oh my God. Okay. I'm going to go ahead on and check. Well, Miss Ebony says I should be at 1,000 followers now. So guess what? I am about to check. Wow, Royce, you are right. Royce, you said the right answer, but guess what? I'm not going to read it out loud what the comment is just yet. Well, I am going to our Storytime page because Miss Ebony says we should be at 1,000 followers. Well, I'm going to see. We are only one away from 1,000. So let's see. Keep your fingers crossed. If we're not at 1,000 just yet, guess what? It's okay. We have... Yes! We are at... Oh, God! Oh, my goodness. We are at 1,000. Oh, God. Thank you, God. Oh, my God. I am so excited. Okay. Oh, I'm not going to cry. I'm not going to cry. I got to read this story. I got to... Yes! Miss Ebony, how did you know? You must was checking it out. Oh, my God. I'm so excited. Oh, my goodness. Yes! Oh, guys, I'm so excited. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna try now. Oh my God! Yes, we are up to 1,000 followers. Woo! Congratulations, you guys are awesome. Woo woo! Oh my God! I'm gonna have to show you guys this. You have to see this. I got to show you my screen. Let me just go over there to my screen on my computer. There it goes, guys. We are at 1,000. Yes. Oh my God, what a celebration. Oh God. Okay. Yes. Oh, Miss Ebony, how did you know? Yes. Oh my God. I'm so excited. Look, I'm so excited, guys. I hope I don't get the hiccups. Oh my God. Okay. Oh my God. I'm so excited. You guys are awesome. If it hasn't been for you guys, our Storytime followers, guess what? If it wasn't for you guys, there would be no Storytime. Oh God. I'm so excited, but I have to calm down because I have to finish reading you guys a story. I promised you a story. Pete the Kitty in the case of Hiccups. Pete stands on one foot. Hiccups. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete still has the hiccups, guys. Even after standing on one foot. Yes, won't he do it? Woo woo. Pete asks Callie, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Callie. You stand on one foot and hop up and down. Oh my God, you guys are awesome. I love you guys. We have to do a celebration later. Oh my God. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. Hiccups, hiccups. Pete still has the hiccups. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Oh. Pete asks Gus, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Gus. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song. Let's get him to sing that Storytime song. Gus, do you know the Storytime song while you're playing those drums? Wow, what an awesome celebration of a party. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited, oh God. Okay, Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down and he sings that Storytime song. It's story time. Hiccups, hiccups, hiccups. Pete still has the hiccups. Oh my God, I'm so excited. It's story time. Oh my goodness. Wow, wow, wow. Pete asks Bob, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Bob. What do you guys think is gonna stop Pete's hiccups? I'm not gonna give you the answer. Royce already knows the answer. Royce put the answers in the comment field. You stand on one foot, hop up and down, sing a song, rub your belly, says Bob. Wow, rubbing your belly would stop my hiccups? I don't know. And guess what? Pete does it. Oh my God. Hiccups, nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccups. Go ask Mom, says Bob. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Pete asks Mom, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Mom. You take a deep, deep breath. I gotta take deep breath, guys, so I don't want to cry. Breathe, breathe. You take deep, deep breaths Pete takes a deep breath like Miss Doris. At story time, I have to take deep breaths because I don't want to cry. Hold your breath and blow out, says Mom. You can do that too when you're stressing out. You take deep, deep breaths and blow out really, really, really slowly. When you get really anxious, I'm so anxious and excited. I have to take deep, deep breaths to make sure I stay calm and I don't cry. But guess what, guys? If I shed a tear, it doesn't mean that I'm sad. It means that I'm really, really excited and appreciative of all of you guys out there in Storytime land. Pete holds his breath. Don't you guys try this. Don't hold your breath too long. I don't want you guys passing out. Remember, we are just reading a story. So some of the things in the stories that we read, make sure you guys are not doing those things, because remember, we are only reading a book. Pete blows out his breath. You're right. You hold up. Well, Miss Dominique Daniel says you hold up, hands up, and you do your ears, and you hang low. Oh my goodness. Well, guess what? Royce said that you drink lots and lots of water. Pete holds his breath. Pete blows his breath out. That's it, Pete asks. That's it, says Mom. Wow, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh my God, this is awesome. Pete waits, and he waits, and he waits. Story time with me. Oh, God. So excited. The hiccups are gone. Yes! The hiccups are gone. Moms are so smart. Well, guess what? Moms are smart. Dads are smart. Nanas are smart. Papas are smart. Titis, uncles, and cousins. Wow. Mom gave the right answer. Thank you, Mom. Mom really helped him out. Thanks, Mom, for helping Pete out with curing his hiccups. You guys are awesome on today. I'm so excited that you tuned in today at Storytime. And to all our Storytime fans out there in Storytime land, I appreciate all of you guys. I love you guys. And guys, remember, if you're not feeling well, always let someone know that you're not feeling well. And guess what? They will take really good care of you. And when you're out and about and playing with your friends, or your favorite toy, or out at the park, or playing on your skateboard, or whatever you may be doing, make sure that you are washing and sanitizing your hands at all time. Remember, we are still practicing safety first. We are still practicing safety first. You guys are awesome. I love you guys. And remember, guys, on today, I'm so excited. We are up to 8,000 followers. I'm so excited on today, guys. But I'm not sad at all. You know, I'm really excited and happy. So if you guys are not smiling on today, I hope once you see Miss Doris's smile that you are smiling on today. I love you guys, and I appreciate all of you guys out there in Storytime land. I have to go, guys, because my eyes are getting really, really teary. And I don't want my children to see me cry because they may not even, some may not even understand. But no, these are tears of joy. I'm so excited. We have reached our 1,000 mark on Storytime for our followers. I love you guys. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love all of you all over the world. And I was so excited to read all of my new Storytime followers a live story on today. Take care and smile just for you.